It was 2019, June 15th, when I first gave my IDP exam in the computer-delivered IDP center. I felt relieved after I finished the exam. Was really thinking I would get a grand score. But trust me, destiny had a different story. This is my score report, where writing was stuck at 5.5. The rest of them were in 7.5 and 8, where I had absolutely no problem. I talked to a couple of friends of mine. They all told me that you apply for re-evaluation, definitely there is scope for improvement. So likewise, I applied for the re-evaluation. Boom, the score improved in writing from 5.5 to 6.5. That's the first time I heard that re-evaluation actually works, when I witnessed the improvement from a 5.5 to 6.5. Then I got some confidence. But at the same time, I wanted that band 8 no matter what. Then I continued my research, talked to more people this time, and even joined a local coaching center, gave exams multiple times, but scores were not improving. Writing was stuck in 6.5. The rest of the modules had almost reached 8.5 in every occurrence of the test, but writing was stuck at 6.5. Surprised and didn't know what to do. But one thing I observed, I had a lot of energy to run. But the problem is, I did not have a direction to run. Probably I was running in this direction, but the destination was over here. Probably I wanted someone to tell me that I should take a U-turn, or perhaps someone to tell me you should take a left turn, not a right turn, or right turn and not a left turn. I also searched everywhere in the YouTube where I came across, use this 10 words, use this 20 words to get band 9. Try these phrases to get band 9. But trust me, no single improvement happened with these videos. Then I realized one thing, all these fancy items, fancy things would in any way do not contribute to more improvement. I was looking everywhere else for the improvement, but I forgot to look at one particular place, and that place was to look within myself. Perhaps there is a mistake within me, inside me, which needs more tuning. Well, acceptance was the key. When I accepted that perhaps I am making that mistake, perhaps I need to look at myself within. Trust me, that paved way for the success. Then the rigorous research started. I tried to remember the exact questions of my essay writing from my previous attempts. Got some keywords searched everywhere in the internet to get the actual question that I witnessed in the exam. Also tried to remember the exact answers or the right ideas that I wrote in the exam. But upon closer examination, I realized that the question was different and my answer was completely different. So let me just show you the question and the answer that I wrote in my first few attempts of IELTS computer-based exam. So this was the question. In many countries, children are becoming overweight and unhealthy. Some people think that the government has the responsibility to solve this problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? I was very confident about this question. And you know what I wrote? I talked about what government should do. Government should do this. Government should do this kind of measure, this kind of thing. Government should give education. Government should put fine and a lot many things. And I was thinking I should get band 8. How come band 8 for this answer? Because the question is probably facing towards east direction, and the answer probably is facing towards west direction. Because what is asked is completely different from what is written. Remember, the question says, some people think that government has the responsibility. To what extent do you agree? Yes, I agree that government has the responsibility. I'm first not supposed to write what measures government should take. I should only say why it is the responsibility of the government, meaning perhaps I did not try to understand the question. I overlooked the important fact in the question. What is asked in the question and what is written from me was entirely different. Let's take a look at another question which is quite similar to this. Some people think that government is responsible for the rise in obesity in children, but others think it is not. Discuss the measures government should take. Well, if this is the question, perhaps in the very first attempt or second attempt or third attempt, I would have gotten 7.5 quite easily, but this was not the question asked. What was asked was different and what was written is different. If I have written the measures, what measures the government should take, then the question has to be asking me to write down the measures. But the question is, do you agree if government is responsible? Yes, government is responsible for this because children are the assets of the nation. If government doesn't pitch in and solve this problem, tomorrow it's going to be a big problem for the government itself. And hence, if we make the government responsible for solving this particular problem, we could see some solution. This is the way I should have written, but what I wrote was completely different. So that was the first initial analysis and research that I did and was quite successful to an extent in understanding why my scores were pretty less. Later, I took some random questions from the internet. I took the questions, I tried to write the right ideas, wrong ideas, right ideas, wrong ideas. Became more conscious of this fact, meaning what is the question and what is supposed to be the answer and what is supposed to be not the answer. So this way I grew more confident. As far as if I remember more than 100 questions, I try to build more confidence, more knowledge on what is required and what is not required. later point of time, I went to the website of IDP and tried to understand what is the evaluation criteria for the essay writing. There I understood it is not just the ideas, it is the task response, coherence, cohesion, lexical resource, and the grammar. I knew that I did not have a problem in the lexical resource and the grammar. Task response, the problem seems to be fixed with what is this coherence, cohesion. I never thought that coherence, cohesion was something of a narration, meaning all my essays that I wrote in the previous exams never had any narration, meaning I was just trying to list down the things. I never tried to convey the things, meaning I was just trying to put the dots. I never tried to connect the dots. When I understood the coherence, cohesion, trust me, a new research just opened up. Something like this, what my essay looked like. If you properly observe, I've highlighted in different colors. First time I highlighted in green color, meaning that is one particular idea that I wrote. To commence with, the first and foremost benefit of reading books online is the great convenience it offers. It is a very easy process which saves people's time. Well, that's all about it. I invoked a new idea, wrote one more line and finished it. The third line, I'm talking about a new idea. If you see there, in addition, ebooks offer features such as increasing text font. I took a new idea. Well, the previous idea narration is not yet completed, but I'm already in pursuit of taking up a new idea. Ebooks offer various features such as increasing text font, making reading more accessible for people with visual difficulties. I gave an example for that, highlighting the features of font. Readers can easily highlight text to make notes and search for specific information within the book. Again, 2 lines done and dusted. The narration is not yet completed, but I am moving on to write another idea. Apart from these, ebooks are more eco-friendly in comparison with paper books. Ebooks need no natural resources to create while producing printed books. So here again, if you see, another idea started and one more line I wrote for another idea. If you properly observe my essay writing, my body paragraph 1 had 3 main ideas. Each idea had one more supporting idea, no example written, no continuation given. Narration is pretty bad. So when I understood this, trust me, I was very happy because I was understanding the mistakes within myself, and I also knew how to fix it. So later in the same essay, the wrong coherence, cohesion, I tried to correct it in a right way possible. If you just look at this particular essay, all of them are written in the green color, meaning the entire paragraph is talking about one particular thing. The most significant benefit of reading books online is the unparalleled convenience it offers. So I started with main idea called convenience. Unlike traditional paper books, ebooks allow readers to access an entire library from the comfort of their own devices. I'm still continuing to talk about convenience, eliminating the need to carry heavy volumes or visit physical bookstores. You don't have to do that. It's very convenient. I'm still talking about the main idea that I started in the previous line. This convenience, again, I'm continuing talking about convenience with another supporting idea, is particularly valuable for those with busy schedules as it enables quick and easy access to reading material anytime and anywhere. My first main idea was about convenience. I wrote 2 more sentences about convenience only. Now, for example, again, I'm continuing to talk about convenience because this is coherence, cohesion. A commuter can easily read. Again, I'm talking about the convenience that I started in the very first sentence. During the daily journey by simply opening an ebook on the smartphone or tablet, making the most of otherwise idle time. This flexibility, again, it's a convenience, extends to travelers, students, and professionals who can effortlessly switch between different books and documents without the bulk of physical copies. Well, this is the way out. And when I applied this, the next attempt, after so many futile attempts that I had, the next attempt, bang on, was 7.5 writing. I did not have to think so much on the vocabulary, normal grammar, basic grammar, mixture of simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. Did not have to think so much on the vocabulary. Normal ones, whatever that comes to my mind, I was just writing. But with a proper coherence, cohesion, and a perfect task response, yielded me 7.5. Then I worried as to how to get 8. With the help of so many YouTube channels, I realized probably I need to invoke more ideas in each one. Trust me, when I got 7.5, I was writing only one idea in the second paragraph, one idea in the third paragraph. But when I wanted 8, what I did, I invoked 2 ideas in second paragraph, 2 ideas in the third paragraph. Meaning, first idea that I wrote the supporting idea example. And then I invoked the second idea, supporting idea example. This entire thing is one paragraph. The next paragraph, again, the third idea, supporting idea example. Then I get fourth idea, supporting idea example. So it became a very lengthy essay, but that's when I got 8 bands. If you want 8 bands, then perhaps you need to write more ideas, at least preferably 2 ideas in each paragraph. But if you want 7 or 7.5, what you need is not more number of ideas, it is the coherence, cohesion, the narration, the screenplay in the movie that found to be more significant than any other thing. Well, that's my story, and post that I started my online course, But it's been never-ending. A lot of students have joined. A lot many students have got 7, 7.5, 8. Even recently, one person named Salma got 8.5 in writing. Well, the idea to get that 7 and above to IELTS writing is very simple. It's all hidden in task response and coherence cohesion. If you want more personalized one-to-one feedback, you can any point of time text us to the link given in the description of this video. It's a paid assistance. You can join our course, understand the right things, the wrong things, and get the desired score in the very first go. Fine guys, I really hope my story inspired you, and if you believe the same, leave your valuable comments in the comment section, like, share, and subscribe. Fine guys, this is Nakul, Nakul, signing off from Skill Science. Soon we'll be back. Then take care. Bye-bye. Thanks so much.